Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm throwing it back. I'm doing an OG video and that is a giant MiniatureSweet unboxing, unpackaging. These videos always did really well. I love these videos. I love filming them. I love watching them. You guys seem to always really enjoy them and I thought it would be a great chance to do a quick giveaway as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I am filming this video before I announce changes that have hopefully already come to this channel. I will leave some links in the description box to those videos that hopefully explain that or what's going on. I should just be doing like one video to sum up my feelings and the changes coming to this channel, but I still obviously want to keep this content craft related and shop related, and these are obviously supplies that I use for my shop and for my hobbies. And MiniatureSweet, as you guys know, I've worked with them for, oh my goodness, 5 years, 6, 7 years, and I've been using them since I started crafting, so like 10 years I've been buying from them, and we have a great relationship. And they have sent me this for free. That's why the title of this video probably has ad in it, because of new laws in the UK. They sent me this for free, so it is a gift. I was not asked to do a video on it and I was not paid to talk about them. As again, I hope you guys know that I just have a relationship with MiniatureSweet. I love them. I couldn't recommend them more. So I just wanted to do a fun unboxing video for you guys, but I have to disclose it because I don't want to go to prison. So that's enough of the boring stuff. As I mentioned, I am doing a giveaway in this video, but I will finalise that in a separate clip at the end because I don't know what's in this package. They may have sent some extras that I might want to give to you guys, but I have a little bag full of goodies, mostly from MiniatureSweet, that I've collected over some time period that I've been meaning to give away, so I thought this video would be perfect. So once I get that all together, I'll come back probably on another day and film a clip of what you can win, and you can see that at the end of the video. And I'll also leave like instructions and all of the information in the description box, obviously, so you can read that and know exactly what's happening. But anyway, I've been rambling for way too long and I'm way too excited, so I'm just going to open this. If the tripod or the camera is a bit janky and starts to shake bits, because I'm sitting behind it and I don't really have enough room. Ugh. But yeah, this is a humongous package and I am so unbelievably excited about it, as I'm sure you can tell. So this is not just like a surprise package. I did order this stuff, so I do know like well actually I've forgotten what should be inside because I ordered so much. But yeah, this isn't like surprise stuff, so yeah, I'm super excited. So we're just gonna start with what's on top. Oh girl, I am so excited about this. So we ordered like a bunch of cabochons, canes, all of that good stuff, which is all in here. So let me open this up for you. Good bit of ASMR for you guys. Right, let's see what we have. Okay, so I got let's start this off with some wing cabochons. Yes, I know, I did not create my wings. It's a mold. I'm breaking all the rules right now. Well, actually, I didn't break all the rules. Whenever people asked, I definitely answered honestly. But yeah, I was not the creator of the wings. I've got these to mold because I'm trying to bring mine back. I would like to say that I'm like the person that came up with the idea for the chokers and stuff. But, you know, I can't really take credit because, you know, they already existed. But I remember specifically like searching when I created my chokers for anything similar and I didn't find anything. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I got a bunch of the cabochons so that I could mold them myself and start again and bring them back because they were so popular and I get asked a lot about when I'm bringing them back. So I got a bunch of those in different colours just so that I could mold them myself and bring them back to my shop. Okay, I also got a bunch of strawberries, but I'm pretty sure I already have these cabochons, so I might give these away, but I'm gonna have to check. I'm not sure whether my ones are a bit bigger than this. I'm sorry, that hand, the nails are really janky. So I'll try and show you everything with this hand. But yeah, I got some little strawberries. So then I get a bunch more cabochons. So there are some really tiny little hearts. There are some cute little pink sparkly cabochons there. More pink sparkly cabochons, but on different shape, tiny little stars. Then there are these really cute little shells, and then these big stars. So again, I'm sort of just getting back into resin and I want to mold all of the stuff so that I can make my own jewelry using the shapes. And yeah, I really like the size and the shape of these shells. So yeah, I got those. So I'm pretty sure these ones were extras because I don't think that I chose these, but there is a bunch of rainbow sprinkles which are shaped like hearts and stars. Probably a lot of these will go in the giveaway because I already think I have some of these, or I definitely have enough. But I definitely ordered these ones, which are some pink, blue and white. So there's like 2 colours of pink, a purple, blue and white in these packs, and they're stars and hearts, and I just think these are going to look so gorgeous in resin. And I don't have anything in these colours, so I just thought this was super, super cute, and I cannot wait to use these. Then I got some more pearls and rhinestones and stuff, which is so funny because I got rid of all my pearls and rhinestones, and now my ideas are like floating back towards Deco Den and that kind of thing. So I just got some pink pearls in different sizes. Then there are a bunch of random ones which might have been a little freebie extra, and then some jewels in 2 different sizes. So yeah, again, hilariously, I started in Deco Den when I first started this YouTube channel, or a different YouTube channel actually, and I got rid of most of my supplies because I wasn't using them, and now my ideas need these, so I'm adding to the collection again, which is probably really dangerous, but I'm excited. Then I also have these, which I'm super excited about. These are like little fake bubbles, so they're like iridescent clear micro marbles. So I've got like a mix pack which has a bunch of different sizes in it, and then I have like a pack that's got all one size. So I really want to use these in resin and clay. I think these are going to look so cute, and they look literally just like little bubbles, so I love those. And then lastly, there was this little pot of glitter. Again, I cannot remember if I chose this or not. Probably did because I'm back into resin, but I love the pot. It's really interesting. It's a bit small though, so this probably won't last me very long, but it's really pretty. It's a bunch of like hexagons. Are there hearts in here? No, I think it's just like hexagonal blue and sort of like gold reflect glitter. Anyway, really pretty. Right, next in this bag, let's go for this, shall we? Ooh, okay, these are definitely little extras. Love it. Whenever you order from MiniatureSweet, you guys probably know this. This is not new to you unless you're new to MiniatureSweet. You always get freebies. If you shop with them a lot, you get loads of freebies. If you make a bigger order, you get loads of freebies. So yeah, this cabochon is so funny. I'm literally working on exactly this, but I've like made it myself, like the little egg. That's literally so funny. So I'll go over these in a second because this is what my giveaway piles are made of, is all the freebies that I just don't need. Like, I'm not going to get the most out of them, so I want to pass those on to new people. So yeah, I'll go over this at the end so you can see the type of thing they give away. Right, next is, oh, this is exciting. These are resin pigments. So my entire collection of resin pigments is from MiniatureSweet, and I love them, but I don't really have any opaque colours. They just don't really come out that opaque. So these ones are, or at least I think most of these ones are. Let's have a look. So yeah, solid colour. So let me sort these out. So the solid colours that I got was this beautiful blue colour, this hot pink colour, and then this mint colour. The white was sold out, but I want to try these out and then see if they work. I know a lot of people put like acrylic paint in to make it solid, but it just never really works for me. It makes me a bit nervous, so I don't want to use those, use acrylic paint. So I'm excited to try those solid colour ones. Oh, and then this was really exciting. This is called a Polarization Pearl Pigment. They had so many resin pigments, I got so excited. And they had a bunch of different like reflects. So I think this is like a blue kind of reflect, if you can see that, but they literally had every colour under the sun, but it's like a clear pearly pigment that you put in, and they literally had one that shined pink, purple, blue, gold, like literally the whole rainbow. So I think I got the blue one, and I'm just really excited to try this. And then I also got pearl pigment in white because I have a pink pearl pigment from them and I love it. It looks amazing. So I got a white one as well. Oh, and then last but not least, these two came with a little rubber rings to make sure that it didn't get too battered, it would seem. So I'm not sure if you can like see the difference in these. Like the bottom one is shining blue and the top one is shining like a pinky gold colour. They're like crazy. I cannot wait to use these. They look insane. Like this would look so cool, I think, in clear resin. Just a drop or two of this and you'd get that like sheen and then put like a little bit of glitter in. Anyway, cannot wait to use these. They need a good shake up, but yeah, very excited. Right, next in the bag of wonders is by Resin, I think. So I think these last 2 packages are literally just the resin that I ordered. I've been using resin that isn't from MiniatureSweet for the last couple of months, and I don't like it quite as much. I got 2 lots of the resin from MiniatureSweet. As you can see, they package everything really well. I'm not going to open both of them because they're the same, but you can see what it comes with. So they have soft resin, hard resin, and like medium resin. I never really understand the difference. They are 3-to-1, which is kind of annoying, but it's not that big of a deal because the one I've been using since has been weight. Like, you have to measure it by weight, which is a little bit of a tricky thing to do, but it comes with 2 syringes, 2 pipettes, and then it also comes with a measuring cup, 2 measuring cups, 1 measuring cup, which it's the right plastic to peel resin out of. So yeah, super easy. I love it. So I got 2 of those because I've missed using it as a resin. I'm now going to move on to the last thing, which was this little freebie pack. And yeah, like I said, half of this stuff is probably going to be in the giveaway that I'm going to put at the end of this video. They've put a bunch of little cabochons in here. So let me start with those. So the cabochons that we have are a little cake roll, a little cupcake, a little strawberry, which I am in love with. I really am going to be keeping that. A sparkly unicorn, a little egg, and a bow. Let me get this one out. Again, I'm trying not to show you my ugly nails, but a little bow. All of this stuff will obviously be available to buy on MiniatureSweet. Which is another reason I love the little freebies, because it's like a little taster of what's on the website. So yeah, those are little cabochons. Right, so the first one is a really big mold. They sent me a really cute little puffy moon mold. Then they sent me a little teardrop shape, which I will be keeping because I think that'll come in really useful. Then they sent me a butterfly, which is super cute, and I may keep, but I may not. And then they sent me a little like Sailor Moon silhouette, which I won't keep because I haven't actually ever watched Sailor Moon. Shh. And someone else will get far better use out of this than I will. And then they also sent me one of these like square pendant-ish sort of molds, which I've never used one of these, so I'm kind of intrigued, and I might keep this and give it a go. So yeah, they sent me a bunch of those molds. Then they sent me a bunch of canes, which are super freaking cute. So these are like one of my favorites from them. They are cute little snowflakes. I probably have enough of these, so again, there will probably be some of these in the giveaway, but I love these so much. They are one of my favorites from them. Another favorite, but these are new, so we'll probably be keeping these ones, are Sakura shapes, but I've never seen them rainbow, so I'm super in love with those. Then there's this set. Oh, let me get that. There's this set of Mickey ears, and then these are really cute and really interesting. There's like a bunch of like rainbow sweets, which I think are super, super, super cute. I love the colours of those. I love the colours of those. They are so cute. So there's those. And then last but definitely not least, they've sent a bunch of metal, I forget what these are called, bezels I think is probably the correct term for these. But there is like a bunch of them. So there is this one, which is like a little dolphin. Then there is this one, which is like 2 cats and a little star. There's a Sakura, which is super cute. My little twin stars one. What's that? That's probably another little twin stars one, I think, or maybe just a cute like magical girl one. That's cinnamon roll, that's so cute. And then there's also this really cute little fruit thing, and you just like fill these with resin. I don't use these, so there's going to be a lot of these in the giveaway because I know people make the most gorgeous charms using these. So yeah, that's all the freebies they gave me. So this isn't even everything, but I couldn't fit it all in frame. So yeah, as you guys can tell and know, I love MiniatureSweet, so I am dead excited to use this stuff. I will try and link as much as I can in the description box below. Whenever I do these videos, the descriptions are always way too long and YouTube won't let me upload them, so I'll see what I can do. It's usually named really obvious things though, and the website's so easy to navigate, so you should be able to find this stuff super easy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you can subscribe to see more from me. Let me know in the comments as well if you enjoyed watching this OG MiniatureSweet haul, and stick around for the next clip, which is going to be all of the giveaway prizes and how you can enter. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! And I'm back. It's actually a few months later, but I've finally got everything together after sorting through what I have, what I've been collecting for you guys, and as you can see, it is quite a huge giveaway now, so I am so excited. As I said, a lot of this is from MiniatureSweet. They've sent me stuff over the years, so some of this was gifted to me. Some of this was freebies from orders that I made myself. Some of this is just supplies that I've bought and they're just never used and stuff. So I'm just going to quickly go over it and then quickly tell you how you can enter, but it's going to be super simple. So just a super quick rundown. We've got some cute glittery deco whip and then some like deco sauce as well. We've got this really cute, like, it opens, it's kind of like a heart wand thing. I never knew what to do with this, but I kept it forever because I thought it was so cool. But yeah, I think someone could do something really cool with this. There's a little pack of UV resin, loads and loads of these bezels. So you've got Miffy, cats, cinnamon roll, lots of little twin stars ones that people will be able to make some really cool stuff with. Mostly gold actually, but there is a silver one in the middle. Fake ice, so these have never been used. These are all new. So this is like the chunky, no, this is like the really thin fake ice, and then this is like the chunkier fake ice. So those are from MiniatureSweet. Those are super cool, so I'm so happy to be able to give away 2 full pots of those. Then a bunch of cute little, actually mostly animal molds. So you've got unicorn, a little poodle, a little rocking horse, a little kitty, and then there's a Sailor Moon. Then there is loads and loads of canes and other random bits. So there's a bunch of sakura canes, stars, hearts, flowers, sprinkles, lots of sprinkles, all that good stuff. Then there's some mixed rhinestones, pearls, more pearls, these really cute fluffy pastel pom-poms in 2 different sizes, 3 different colours, more canes. Then in the middle there's a bunch of cabochons. I've given you guys all of the really cute fruit ones that I don't really need. So there's some really cute little like slices here, which I really love. A Rilakkuma, a little turtle, little sweets, you know, all that good stuff. Sorry, that was my phone. Then down here is some black micro marbles that I use to make some of the eyes on my charms. There is some that I actually got from Ciate, which is a nail polish company, but these are such pretty colours that I thought someone would be able to use those. Whoa, the lighting just changed, the sun's out. Then there is some like gold foil flex, forget what this is called. Then there's this really cute little pot that's got like a random bunch of stuff in it, a real assortment. So there's more fake ice, but like the really thick kind, like the really big ice cube kinds here. Then there are some pearls, more sakuras, more sprinkles, gold micro marbles, some bits of like Oreo biscuits, more hearts, more jewels, more micro marbles. Then you got some fruit canes, so this is really cute. And there's some blue metallic flakes, more micro marbles. These are just some cute little fang charms. Then these are really cool. I never got around to using these, but these are like I don't know what you call them, like card holders or like placeholders, so you can stick this into a resin creation or a clay creation. So there's this star one and there's this little fish one, but I just think someone could make something really cool with that. So yeah, this is everything. I am so excited to be doing such a massive giveaway for you guys. I've held on to some of this stuff for so long and I cannot wait to see what someone's going to make with all of this. So yeah, this is everything you could win. Sorry the lighting's changing so much in this video. I'm using natural lighting and it is going in and out of the clouds today, the sun. But anyway, to enter this giveaway, it's super simple. You basically just have to be following me everywhere. So you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, which is Kawaii Studios, and then following 2 of my Instagram accounts. So that is Kawaii Studios and In the Kawaii Studio. I will leave all of the links and all of this information in the description box in case you are confused at all. So just be following / subscribe to those 3 accounts, and then just drop me a message in the comments about what video you'd like to see next. Just think of any video request, drop that in the comments, and also leave your Instagram handle so that I can check that you followed all the rules, and that is how you enter. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow In the Kawaii Studios, follow Kawaii Studios, leave a video request in the comments, and leave your Instagram handle, and that is how you could win all of these goodies. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.